This is a Caribou game, and I believe I've sold 2 of these in the past. One I was lucky enough to find at a garage sale, just sitting outside, just out on the ground, and it said free. This one I picked up at the Goodwill for $2.99, which was awesome. I couldn't believe it. I looked down and I was like, Caribou, are you kidding me? But I got it home and it was missing 2 balls. And it's also missing some of the cards. So I can sell it incomplete. And I can do decent, but you guys, the key can be sold separately. This little treasure chest and this piece can be sold separately. All of these different components can be sold separately, and I can make a lot more money doing it that way. Now, I had to pull this piece out of the box. So this little treasure chest actually, let me show you here, fits right here. And then the screws were in the bottom there. And then this is the little mechanism that makes it open when the balls hit it. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the game. I had to figure it out because I'm like, why isn't it opening? But the balls hit it and it hits a piece that's right here, and then this opens up, which is super, super cool. But anyway, I'm gonna sell these together. I kept the screws. I'm gonna sell the screws with it. This piece, I just, I took the screws out. I'm gonna sell those with that. So I am gonna literally part out every single piece of this. I'm gonna sell all of these together. So those actually fit in here. I probably should have done a picture beforehand. Now the box, I need to decide if I'm gonna sell the box and if I'm gonna sell the base. So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna get everything listed, and then I am gonna come back and I am gonna show you how I listed everything so you guys can see just how much money you can make when you part one of these out. Now, do I recommend parting one out if you have a complete set? No, I'm not saying to do that. The only reason I'm parting this out is because I only had 4 balls, I'm missing 2 balls, and I think I'm missing a card here, and I think a card here. So I'm gonna sell the cards as incomplete, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably sell the instructions separately. I'm just gonna part it out as much as I can to make the most money I can on this. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I list everything. I'm gonna work on that now. And when I come back, I'm gonna show you how I listed everything. All right, guys, so if you're looking at brand new sealed, comps on these things are crazy. So if you're lucky enough to find a brand new sealed game, you're gonna get over $100 for it. But you have to be lucky enough to find one brand new and sealed. So if you find one used, pre-owned, and complete, let's look at what those go for. All right, so this one says complete. It went for $55. Don't know on that one because it says best offer. This one sold for $61 plus shipping, but it looks like it had extra materials. So this game is used for speech therapy. I think that's why it goes for so much, is because a lot of teachers use it as an educational tool. So I think that's what makes it more of a BOLO, because people look for it for that reason. This one has beginner and advanced, and it's complete. So that one went for $80 with free shipping, but that was coming from Canada. So that's a different version. But you can see some of the higher comps. That one's Magical Treasure Hunt, so that's not the version that I have. So there's one that went for $65 plus shipping. So I would say complete, you're looking at around $50 to $65 plus shipping for a complete version of a pre-owned Caribou game. So definitely a BOLO. But again, mine was not complete. So let's look at how I listed everything and what I expect to get by parting out my game. So the question is, will I make more than $65 or will I make less than $65? Let's go check it out. All right, so here are the listings. When I broke it all down and parted it out, I have the replacement balls, and I do have a 25% off sale going on right now. So those are currently at $12.75 plus shipping. And then this is the tray that holds the key, the cards, and the balls. So that's at $12.75 plus shipping. And then this I went ahead and listed, so this is just the base and the box. And the box is damaged from where I had to pull it out to get the other parts out, but somebody could easily repair it. So this is more for the person who has a box that is damaged and just needs the box, or maybe their base is damaged. And I was going to just get rid of this, and then I was like, you know, maybe somebody needs this. I'm gonna go ahead and try an auction with this one, and if it doesn't sell, I'll just relist it at a buy it now. I'm just gonna try this. I don't know. This will probably be the hardest piece to sell. The next item is the cards, and I have 39 cards, and as you can see here, some of the cards are missing. I do believe there's supposed to be 3 of each card. So there's an A missing, a green paint spot, and a number 1. Besides that, I think everything is there. I have never played the game before. I'm just basing that on the fact that all of the other cards have 3. So I could be completely wrong. But that is how I have it listed. Incomplete matching play cards, lot of 39. So I've got those listed. They're currently on sale for $10.50 plus shipping. The next is the actual, these are the inner pieces, the doors with the actual cards in them. So these actually fit into the base. So I had to take those out, and I am selling these for $25, but they're 25% off right now. So $18.75 plus shipping. This is the key. I've got it at $20 with 25% off, so it's at $15 plus shipping. This is the treasure map and the instructions. I've got that at $15 with 25% off, so it's currently at $11.25 plus shipping. And this is the treasure chest, and this was the hardest piece to actually get out. And it does work. And I just disclosed that I actually tested it because I did. And I listed that at $25. It's 25% off, so it's $18.75. And all of my items do have best offer. This is the other piece that I had to remove, and I went ahead and I am including the screws with it so somebody can actually have those to attach it back into their base. This is the slider that goes over the balls. So the ball goes into the hole and slides down underneath, and then this piece slides so that you can remove the balls. I have this listed at $12. It's currently 25% off, so it's $9 plus shipping. And that is all of the listings. And with the sale price, that adds up to be over $100 plus shipping. So right now, a completed one is going for about $50 to $65. So parting it out, I can definitely get more than I would have if it was complete. However, it did take me more time to part it out. So if I would have had a completed listing or a completed game, I would have just listed it as complete. I would not have parted it out probably, even though I would have made more money parting it out. But I look at it as by parting out this, by parting out these items, I am gonna help somebody who has this game complete their game. So a whole bunch of games are gonna be completed because I have taken the time to list an incomplete game instead of just throwing it in the trash or getting rid of it. So I took the time to part it out. So what do you guys think? Would you have taken the time to do this? Is it worth $100? I think it is. And I don't mind parting things out, especially when I can make $100. So I feel pretty confident with the prices that I'm at. I do have best offer on there. So, you know, let's just say I come down 10%. So I'm still gonna get around $90 for everything, which is still more than the $65 I would have gotten for the set if it would have been complete. So I'm kind of glad that it wasn't complete. But again, I did have more time in listing and taking it apart and all of that. So let me know what you guys think. Is it worth parting it out, or would you have sold it incomplete? Let's go in and look at what they are selling for as an incomplete game. Let's do that right now. Okay, so I looked up Cariboo Incomplete, and I think I would have to dig a little bit deeper, but let's just go with solds. It says $31 plus shipping, $14.99 plus shipping, $25 plus shipping, $40 plus shipping, and $15 plus shipping. But, you know, I'd have to go into each listing and find out exactly what incomplete means for each listing to know, to determine more of the value of each item. But kind of all over the place there for those. So I'm gonna say that parting it out was definitely the right thing to do.